be an inflatable tube. Right up there. Yeah.
I don't know, how deep do you think it is? Dalen's gonna go across the thing. I cheaped out. Can't go the way Dalen's going. Okay, you guys okay to sit for a minute? I'm gonna die! Woo! Oh, it looks cool. Man, this is what I needed. Get outside. Whoop! Oh, the ice came down though. Shit. See, last time I was here, it was a totally different pool, wasn't it? Maybe I can. Oh, I definitely don't want to slip, you guys. Whew. Look at that. Oh, man, look at that. Gorgeous. Man, this place is cool. Very cool. See, that's where I was trying to get, but there's no way you're getting in there right now, is there? Ha ha! No way getting in there right now. No way getting in there right now. It's all ice. Dude. Okay, well, yeah. Okay. Worried he wasn't watching them. Okay, I'm gonna climb up there a little more. But I gotta put you in my pocket, alright?